Welcome to Headcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we have a special guest named Aus Mining Token. Welcome to Aus Mining Token. It's right now at the pre-sale stage and you have the opportunity to make here some real nice cash because you will be one of the first who knows about this token, giving token holders their very own piece of Australia's first 100% renewable energy mining farm, receiving your daily rewards through Aus Mining Token. So here's something very important to understand. This token is about renewable energy mining farm. So renewable energy, these two little magic words, is in the 21st century a very special place. So let's have a look how the pre-sale is working. If you want to say, okay, I want to be one of the first to have one of these tokens, you just have to click here this link, buy pre-sale, and they will go with you to dex.app, this website, and then you have to connect your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or whatever wallet you have with this site, and then you can see here the AUSMT, the Aus Mining Token, the details about this token: 3% burn, pre-sale 64%, and liquidity 31, and then you can purchase this token. But very important, before making any purchases, please come and chat to us on Telegram and Snapchat. Here you have the links, guys. Before launch, we will be using a Snapchat to allow holders to video voice calls in a way to KYC AUSMT team. Post-launch, top 100 holders will continue to have private access to the team via Snapchat. So if you are really interested, you can for sure ask them any questions on Telegram. I prefer Telegram, some other guys prefer Snapchat, and feel free, just contact them. The total events start in 3 days, and I think, guys, this is a big opportunity. Just hit the button for the pre-sale, hit the button for the Telegram group and be a part of them and ask them everything you want to know about Aus Mining Token. For sure they have a roadmap. Here you can see we are now at the pre-launch or pre-sale, and after that will come a post-launch. The rewards you receive when you invest in Aus Mining Token. Aus Mining Token has multiple ways to bring profits to token holders. Just by holding your token, you will receive reflections every time a buy-sell transaction occurs. With the extra benefits of Aus Mining Token being backed by its very own 100% renewable energy ASIC mining farm. Just by being an Aus Mining Token holder, you'll get to enjoy the rewards our farm produces daily. So we have here 6% reward to holders from every transaction, 2% liquidity, 40% Aus Mining Token buyback. That means 40% of Aus Mining Token mining farm transaction fees earned will be used to buy back Aus Mining Token and burned daily. 10% for sure marketing, and I like this 10%, guys, because many of other projects just write 2 or 3% marketing. It is not enough. I think 10% is a really good, healthy number, because you can have the best product. If no one knows about your product, no one can buy it, right? Expanding. 25% of Aus Mining Token mining farm transaction fees earned will be used for expanding the mining farm. This will still accumulate daily but will be spent monthly. 15% upkeep, 50% of AUSMT mining farm transaction fees earned will be used for maintenance on and around the property and maintaining service to all mining systems. 3% bonus for top 20 Aus Mining Token holders, 2% goes to team, 5% to pre-sale, and so on. Guys, you can see here right now, these guys know exactly what they are doing. They have here so many details about this project, and I don't want to read now everything for you. I don't want to bore you with too much details, but I can tell you one thing. If you want to know details, there are enough to read, and FAQ for sure. They also have AUSMT hash tracker. You can track it also. And if you have a question, feel free to contact them. I mean, what else you have to know? It is a mining farm with renewable energy, and that means you can have here very low energy costs also if you are doing it right, and that means at least you can have here at the end much more profits than if you invest in a regularly mining farm. And this is a project I really like. It is also real that you can contact them on Telegram. If you have some questions, feel free to do it. Don't forget the pre-sale. Just contact them if you are unsure how it really works. Why I must go to dx.app. It is good that these things are on an app, DX app, because you have here another trust platform, right? So these guys make their pre-sale on another platform. That means it's legit. It's not legit when you always have to buy the tokens from the founders. So here you can buy this token over third platform because this project is legit. Feel free to do it, guys. The more tokens you have, the more you can participate of the 6% rewards, and for sure more this project will go through the sky, because renewable energy is the future of everybody, one of us. Renewable energy is the magic word right now over the whole planet. And yeah, let me know what you think about this project. I give 2 thumbs up to this project, and feel free to contact them. Feel free to write down into the comments what you think about this project. Don't forget the pre-sale, guys. Contact the founders over Telegram, over Snapchat. Feel free to ask them everything you want to know. Give us a like for this video. It will help a lot to go forward with Aus Mining Token. And for sure, subscribe this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Guys, until next video, I wish you the very best profits with Aus Mining Token. Don't forget to don't miss the pre-sale. And until next video, see you later, alligator guys. Bye.